So I go into Goodwill and I'm looking for a suitcase, and this is the first thing I see. And so the adventure begins. Ta-da! I mean, is that not perfect? Is that not perfect for my life and what's going on in my trip to Hawaii? I'm going to set it up so it... Whoa! I'm going to only pay $3 for it. But isn't that cool? And so the adventure begins. Debbie's going to Hawaii. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. I can't sing, so yeah, I shouldn't do that. Hey guys, can you believe it's only one day to Hawaii? I'm so excited, but right now it's chaos. Packing, I'm cleaning, I'm filming. But yeah, I'm not. Oh my God. Tomorrow morning, I will be on a plane going to Hawaii, fulfilling a dream that I have had since I was a little girl. And I am Debbie Garcia. I am the badass baby boomer. I will be turning 65 September 10th. And my vacation, my trip that I'm getting to go on with my girlfriend's taking me. She's paying for just about everything. Anyway, 18 days over there babysitting her daughter's condo. Yes, did I introduce myself? I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I got myself out of the wheelchair, and no more walker either. Now, I still walk. Yeah, I got 2 new knees and everything. I'm doing great. But, yeah, I got to get new hips and everything too. But, I can walk quite a ways. I can stand a long time now. I mean, my whole life has changed since I was this gal. Since I was this gal in this wheelchair. Don't pay no attention. I cut my head off. I don't know how I did that, but printers, I'm going to almost cuss. I'm going to Hawaii. I'm going to Hawaii, guys. But, okay, right now, tonight, I just got my second box of the Mounjaro 15 milligrams. I did nothing but gain weight last month on those last 4 shots. So I'm hoping I have better results this time. I'm taking one today. It's Tuesday. I've been doing it on Wednesday, so today is a little early. The 15 milligrams Mounjaro. Gosh, am I doing that right? No, it was right the first time. I'm actually just trying to show you the bubble. See that? Oh, I actually caught it that time. Oh, my Lord. Okay. I'm pretty tired. I'm a little slap happy. It's early Wednesday morning, and I haven't even been to bed yet. I'm packing. It's like you think I was going away for a year, and I'm only trying to trying to pack the minimum. You know what's really cool is I don't have to pack the CPAP machine at all because I haven't used it in months now. So I don't have to haul that dang thing. And that used to be a real pain, a real pain. So the 15, you take off the base first. Then you unlock it. And Debbie, I think I'll do it my arm this time. Maybe that's why it hasn't been working as good. I've been doing it in my thighs. And I never have ever even felt one of these shots. I never feel nothing. So, it was a little wet. So, I think, but anyway, I'm going to Hawaii. Oh my God, I can't even believe it, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, life is good. I've been working on other things, housing and moving on, and lots of meditation, and doing my water aerobics and my exercise in the gym. And yeah, life is good. Life is good. Life is what we make it. Debbie has decided that the universe is definitely on her side. I mean, this trip came a few days after a horrible domestic violence incident with my husband of 38 years. And I was just like on the floor, sad as could be, and just was like, oh my God, I got to turn it all over to you. I can't handle this. The little phone rings not long after that. My friend Chris offers me this trip. 18 days in Kona, Hawaii, on the Big Island, doing all kinds of things. She bought my ticket. I just had to buy my passport, which was $300. So thank God I couldn't go. I couldn't afford this. Senior citizen. Yeah. Senior citizen on very little Social Security. My daughter got me this cool sticker. Let it be. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Because you know what? We change because we're in so much pain. That's what I was like, why did I really change? And it's like pain. I was in so much pain in my heart, my head, everything. There was just so much pain. I was tired of being in pain. So now I'm trying to change my whole life, and I am. I have changed my whole life. I'm stepping into a better version of me. We can do it. Anybody can do it. You know, I mean, look at, I was just, no, I did not think I had a life anymore. I did not think there was any life for me. But I was wrong. And look at me going to gosh darn Hawaii for 18 days. Most people get to go over there 3 days. A week is like a huge thing. I have some friends that just went for a week. And I was just like, oh, how cool, you know. Well, now I'm going for 18 days. 18 days of sun and fun, and I'm going to share it with you guys because of course I'm going to do lots of filming, and I am hoping to live stream on my birthday, September 10th, from the beaches of Kona, Hawaii, and drinking a pina colada out of a coconut. Oh my God, can you even imagine? Oh my God, and I'm going to a luau. I want to tell her I want to go to a luau, and I'm hoping that's on my birthday, because that would be so much fun. Yes, luau, dolphins, turtles, manatees. I don't know how you say that. Big fish. But, yes. Blue ocean, white sands. Okay, I'll quit. I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited. You guys, I'm going to be sending lots of videos for you guys to see what's going on in 18 days. And I plan to hopefully not be so, I don't want to burn. I'm going to be lathering in sunscreen, but still, I'm hoping to get a lot darker because I am just pale white. Pale white. I didn't get out. This was not a summer that I got out in the sun, and yeah, it just wasn't a summer. It didn't turn out the way I hoped, being out in the sun and swimming and all kinds of things this summer. But it was a summer of work and healing and getting my happy back on. And that's what I'm doing. And yes, thank you, Twan, from Traces of Twan, that said she wanted to see that happy dancing baby boomer back. And I've been doing some dancing. I've been doing a lot of it. Haven't really filmed it, but believe me, I've been doing it. I am getting the old Debbie. Well, I am getting a new and improved version of Debbie back. Yeah, new and improved. Stronger, tougher, and even better plans for my future than I had before all of my life went crazy upside down in April. But, you know, look at September and August. September is my birthday month, and it's always a great month, and the weather's always great, and I'm always happy that month. Who isn't? So anyway, yeah, it's going to be great. And I'm sharing it with you guys. So, I'm going to be on a plane. Oh my God, a plane. Oh my God, I've only flown once when I was 17, and I'm a little nervous about it, but it ain't going to stop me. It's not stop me. Nothing's stopping me. I got my passport, dang it, and that was such a challenge. You have no idea what a challenge it was. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go.